Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, let's
Mhm.
see. Essentially, when we want to build a bridge token on BSV, right? We want other chain wallets. We have already decided we will be using MetaMask for Ethereum, and we were trying to figure out which wallet to use for BTC. Which is the most popular wallet of BTC, which is holding most of the BTC is our target. And it's becoming difficult. We search Alchemy and all of these are supporting only Web3, only Ethereum, Polygon and Solana chains, not any BTC there. So only Exodus, even Exodus wasn't providing the API for integrating BTC wallet at all. So it seems only Electrum wallet of BTC is what we can. Otherwise, to use some SDK of crypto APIs that we have got for BTC. And we are still researching. Probably Coinbase wallet provides API access of BTC to be deposited. So that's on that
Really, I
side.
thought there would be many API providers. Okay, seems that BTC is not really for developers. Looks like
Yes,
compared to the big market cap, right? You would thought like hundreds. But anyway,
yes, actually, I was
good to know.
surprised.
Yeah,
Very
I'm
surprised.
surprised. Okay.
Okay, so that's the case. And then we have the main thing, which which is we are essentially wanting to have, let's say, if we are working with UTXO chains, BTC is the target, and account-based chains, ETH is the target. Our target is to bridge ETH, ERC20. If we can bridge ERC20, we can bridge all types of ERC20 tokens, USDT and others as well, and BTC. So in order to do
Okay,
this,
something quick. Is there any future plan to add ordinals on BTC? That's like equivalent to ERC20, right? BRC20.
okay, yeah,
Anyway,
I guess
just
we
something
can have that.
quick. Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, that
BRC20.
will be the
Yeah. It's
next
future
TSOC.
in the future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It will be the next TSOC project, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, so proof of deposit on BTC chain is what we'll need in order to mint the token on BSV blockchain when we provide the proof of deposit. Is that correct?
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how. Yeah, I look at the white paper. Seems you guys are doing two approaches. One is like it's almost you have to trust third party, right? It's like a regular bridge, right? You just have you trust the bridge operator. Once you deposit on one chain, it's going to mint the equivalent on the other chain, right? So
Yes, but the
basically,
thing
they
is,
are
we
going to
want to
check the proof.
yeah, we want to check the proof because if we don't check the proof, again, it becomes the same trust factor comes in that we are
Yes.
trusting whether that person
Uh-huh.
will give that. And then all the hacks also become
Okay, so
prevalent.
you want to make it this so-called trustless bridge.
Yes, that is the
Okay.
project.
Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of research. I don't know how people, what's the status for other blockchains. Yeah, I heard a lot of, ZK Snap, ZK Breeze. I don't know how's any of them being operating.
Yes, so before going to the ZK stuff, I was thinking, can we have a very simple swap type of action that somehow enables this to happen?
Oh, if it's just native, yeah, it's easier. Called just cross chains atomic swap. I don't know if
How
you.
does cross-chain atomic swap work?
Oh, it's yeah, there are different flavors, but if you want the simplest one, it's very simple. It's, you guys know about a hash puzzle. So basically, you put a hash on chain, and then how to unlock? You need to provide let's say you put a Y on chain, and then you have to find the X, the hashes to Y to unlock.
Could you demonstrate or share how that's working in some way?
So basically, you want to find it's called a hash puzzle, right? So
Yeah.
you want to find a hash. You want to find an X such that hashes to a given target, which is Y. Okay, so you then in two big BTC and the BSV, you both lock to the same hash. Okay. So if the other guy moves the coins on BTC, he has to reveal the X, and then you can use the X to move it to your to unlock it on BSV. Yeah, basically search for it, and it should be simple to understand. Cross-chain atomic swaps. Yeah.
So do you think we
That's
can achieve the trustless format of what we want to do with cross-chain atomic swaps?
Yes, but that's a constraint. You can only do it with the native coins, meaning BTC on Bitcoin Core and BSV on Bitcoin SV. But you cannot do tokens. You cannot do
Okay,
YARS.
got it.
And it only works, I think, it's mostly works for Bitcoin and its derivatives. Yeah. Because you may also do it in Ethereum too. Yeah, that part I have not said.
Right. So I think that's good enough. If we can solve even these two problems, that's good enough. And we can try to figure out something else for the other part, the token part.
Yeah, this is simple to start. And then that's why I'm saying this is the basic version. Then the people say, oh, it's not private because you can link these two, right? Because X and Y are the same on both chains. But that's probably not an issue. Depends on. But the basic version should just work like this. Yeah. And you may add some like time lock. But yeah, check out this.
But is time necessary?
Yeah, because what if nobody redeem it? You don't want the coins to get stuck, right? So you add always in smart contract. You probably always want to use a timeout. If somebody is not responsive, you can always get it out. Otherwise, it's stuck, right?
Okay.
You don't want to log into and then nobody give you the X, then you get stuck. But that's pretty much it. Yeah. There's some details, but basically it works like this. Yeah.
Is there any hash time lock contract on Scrypt or BSV side?
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
So
it's a simple code. You can probably code it in 10 lines or something. Yeah, you can easily code it.
Okay. I guess I'm going to
BTC, I think this works, but for Bitcoin derivatives, Bitcoin, BTC, BSV, BCH, Litecoin, Dogecoin. But I don't know how you work. You probably need to do something to work with EVM. Basically, it works well within BVM, Bitcoin virtual machine. EVM, I don't know. You can probably do something similar, some kind of like a hash puzzle, like a hash log time contract. Yeah.
Okay. Is there any link or reference you can find where we can go through this hash puzzle?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can send this if I can find something. Yeah, I'll share. Yeah, the link. Okay, but that's the basic version. I think it's not let's say universal, meaning you maybe do some on some chain but not on some other chains, or have some constraints. Yes, but maybe not for tokens. Yeah. But it's a basic. It's a basic version. Maybe you can expand now. Yeah.
Okay, I think for now this works. Guys, any doubt you have or anything you want to ask besides this? Interesting.
Yeah, I just randomly find some links. I don't know. It's anyway. Yeah, it should be a simple idea. Yeah, check into it, and then you can play with it. I've seen this being hyped. Like you can find the example of they doing this between BTC and Litecoin. It was huge back then, but they pump. Yeah, Let's see.
Oh, do you have an
okay.
example?
Yeah, it was huge
Even if
news back then.
Whoa, yeah, you can share that example of where that
Yeah,
was.
that's an example. That's code even there, I think.
Yeah, we can get
They
the
use
code also.
the Litecoin and Bitcoin. Back then it was huge news. Yeah, try it out. I think you can do it. Yeah. Try it with BTC and BSV.
First ever cross-chain atomic swap between Bitcoin. Acha, this must be the news you were talking about. Between Bitcoin and
Litecoin,
Bitcoin
yes.
and Litecoin
This
is
was
success.
huge
6
news
years
back
ago.
then. Yeah, huge news back then. But then now it's like a toy example. Okay, you can probably do more fancy stuff. Yeah.
Okay. So this was also something I guess we can link to, but nothing is given as a reference.
Yeah, you can. Find search. I think it's got to be something out there. I think for that one you can probably find some code, but probably not like probably very primitive, low-level code. I don't know if there's any progress since then. You have make it more much easier to do. Yeah, check, find it. That's as good as I can. That's what I don't know. That's a better one. I haven't tracked because to me that's always seems simple. I mean, ideally in theory, but I don't know what kind of libraries or tools have since then been devised to simplify this. Okay. Yeah, basically they use hash time log contract as a basic primitive, but we can build this easily in Scrypt too.
Okay, so can you share some link of the hash time lock contract on Scrypt, or the closest contract to it that we can
Yeah,
take?
basically combine two things. I have a time lock. What is this? Let's see. HTX. Okay. So combine two things: the log time and also hash puzzle. Hash puzzle is in our hello world. You can see it, and then the check time you can use the script context. Yeah, basically, if you know any kind of Scrypt, probably 2 lines, about 10 lines. Yeah. So hash puzzle is here, in here, and then if you want to do any kind of a time, let's see, log time, you can do this script context. You can probably do it here. There's a code here. Yeah, combine this two, then you got it.
But the first one link you shared is of Hello World.
Yeah, it is. It's basically it's a hash puzzle.
Okay.
It is a hash puzzle. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then we have this is the link you shared.
Check log time. Yeah, go scroll down. The first contract. Keep going. Okay, this is check log time. Right, yeah. Basically, this is the log time. Our log time.
Essentially, this achieves the expiry, right?
Yes. Because we get rid of the opcode. So BTC, they use an opcode for this, but you can do this without a new opcode. They call it CRTV.
Oh, yes, this was what was removed, right? When BSV came.
Yes, remove. Because we don't need it. We can use this. You can use a contract to do it. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. I think we should be able to then
do a demo first. Play with this. Use for BTC and BSV. That should be a very good, cool example. Do it on testnet. Yeah.
Yeah. BTC testnet at least. Is the costly part. Okay. Sounds good. Thank you so much, Zave, for your time.
No problem. Any other question? That's good. Oh,
Any other question, guys?
yeah. Also check. Yeah, I think you also mentioned the ZK bridge to see do some kind of survey on what. I'm also interested to know.
I did.
What is the
I got
latest?
some references.
What
Do
the
you want some
latest?
references? Yes, I think there was one. Let me just share the links of what I got.
Is there
Just a
anyone that's actually operating? Because there have been, when I last checked, it was like all kind of still research design
You know,
phase.
when you had the zero knowledge proof hackathon, right?
Mhm.
This was a solution. The ZK bridge was a solution I was trying to work upon for that hackathon.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
But it was too difficult and we really couldn't
Yeah,
achieve.
it's huge. Yeah, people raise like, I don't know, 10 million or 100 million to do this. So it's not a weekend project to say the least. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the bridges, right, it's like it's it's antithesis for blockchain. Because if you trust the bridge operator, then
Yes, exactly. We
why use the
couldn't.
blockchain? Yeah, it's always
Yeah.
get hacked. It's like a central point of failure. So it's great
Yeah.
if you can get rid of it, that would be huge. That'd be huge.
Yeah, that would be huge,
But I don't
right?
know what's the latest state of art. Yeah, I don't know the state of art. That's what I'm asking. Is it somebody already down this, or what is the
I think the
status? Do you know?
system, Syscoin. See, if you see Syscoin, Syscoin, ZK, what was ZK Cross? Yeah, I'm sharing a link.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I just came across this, but haven't.
Yeah, it's good to do almost like a survey on what is for and what is the latest. It'll be great if somebody in the team or some multiple people in the team can do it. Like just see what's the latest for ZK's
Yes.
bridge. That would be great. Yeah.
Zero knowledge. Yes, I think there is an article also shared. I'm just sharing this on the chat. Check
Okay.
this link.
Okay. Yeah, that's last year. Okay.
Yes, anyway, if you start researching Syscoin, they have made a UTXO plus account-based both the models into one new blockchain that combines both in some way. I think from what I'm remembering, what I had researched. Then I had to dig into the Syscoin source code finally and do a lot of stuff, and then it went nowhere.
Okay. Yeah, it seems not easy to say this. I don't know how mature this thing is.
Okay, that's all. I think it's also
Okay.
getting late here. I'll let all these people also go.
Okay.
So,
all right.
thank you so much.
All right.
And
Okay. Thank
have
you.
a good day.
Okay. Stay in touch. Okay. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone.